Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Iconic presence, functional elegance, purposeful design. It's why driving this Escalade ESV may be the highlight of your day. Beginning with the convenience of the hands-free liftgate and adaptive remote start to the memory package that feels like a warm and familiar embrace, this Escalade ESV welcomes you. The 6.2-liter V8 lends the brawn that complements the beauty, and the OnStar with 4G LTE and Cadillac Q with embedded navigation bring the brains. With tri-zone climate control, heated and cooled front seats, and heated second-row seats, you and your passengers may find that time passes too quickly. This exceptional Escalade ESV is not a luxury SUV to just drive. It's one to experience. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.